Hello my dear friends, today we are going to do this math quiz. Okay, so the question number 1 is 20 plus 18. What is the answer? It is 38. 8 plus 0 is 8 and 2 plus 1 is 3. That's why it's 38. How many of you answered correct? Okay, those who answered correct, they know the sum. Okay, they are practicing every day. Next question, 43 plus 30. What is the answer? The options are 73, 72, 81. Add and tell me. The answer is 73 because we add it from 1's place. 3 plus 0 is 3 and 4 plus 3 is 7. Now comes the third question, 13 plus 12. What is the answer? The options are 20, 23 and 25. Add and tell me. Okay. The answer is 25. Now, subtraction time. Okay. 22 minus 14. What is the answer? Subtract it and tell me. The options are 10, 8 and 12. Okay, let's check the answer. The answer is 8. Now the fifth question, 6 plus 10. The options are 12, 10 and 16. Add it and tell us. Okay, it's so easy. Now the answer is 6 plus 10 or 10 plus 6 is 16. Sixth question, 21 minus 7. What is the answer? The options are 13, 14 and 15. Subtract it and tell us. Okay. The answer is 14. Wow, bravo! You answered so correctly. Great job. Okay, do practice every day. If you need these kind of worksheets, then please contact us, follow us in FB and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.